India has recorded 1,84,372 cases in the last 24 hours. India has also crossed 1,000 daily COVID deaths. 1,027 deaths have also been reported in this 24-hour period. This is India's highest daily cases till date. Yesterday, remember, India had recorded 1,68,000 cases. There were just over 900 deaths reported. This is the fourth consecutive day that India is seeing over 1.5 lakh cases on a daily basis. And as far as India is concerned right now, 1,84,000, inching closer to that dreaded 2 lakh mark. This is extremely worrying news that is coming in. Sukirti, who's been checking the details of this story, joins us for the very latest. Sukirti, 1,84,000 cases, India surpassing 1,000 deaths. These are extremely worrying numbers that you're reporting once again this morning.
Well, yes, Rishika, one has been desperately hoping for the situation to improve. Yesterday, when we saw a very slight dip in cases, and we saw that yesterday the positivity rate has also been slightly lesser than the one reported the previous day. One was hoping that the trend would continue, but of course, 2 days are too less to predict how things are going to be in terms of India's COVID situation. And unfortunately, today the figures are telling us a very tragic story at this point of time. Over 1,000 people have lost their lives in the last 24 hours. Over 1,80,000 people have been detected positive with COVID. If you look at the scenario in just the last 7 days, it is the 8th consecutive day of India reporting over 1 lakh cases and the 4th consecutive day of India reporting over 1.5 lakh cases. So the pattern at this point of time, extremely grim reality of India's COVID situation at this point of time. And of course, the biggest worries being Maharashtra, being the national capital, Delhi. Delhi has in fact even surpassed Mumbai in terms of its daily cases record. Delhi recorded over 13,000 cases in just the last 24 hours. Everywhere, the state governments, the central governments taking several measures in order to control the situation. Hospital infrastructure being ramped up at this point of time, but the situation is only getting worse.
All right. Well, the situation most certainly, Sukirti, is getting worse. India is seeing a huge spike of over 1,84,000 coronavirus infections in the last 24 hours, surpassing the grim milestone of 1,000 deaths as well. This is extremely worrying news that is coming in. Remember, prohibitory orders will be put in place from 8 p.m. this evening across the length and breadth of Maharashtra for a period of 15 days. There are micro-containment strategies that have been put in place in different parts of the country basis the rise in infections. But is it really enough to flatten the curve? We'll continue to track the details of this story very closely.